Hey everyone, Josh Smith with Gotta Be Mobile. I'm here with Vizio. We're checking out the 5.1.4. This is a new soundbar for 2019 and it has Dolby Atmos technology. And what's really great about this, one of the implementations is for gaming. So I game, and a lot of times I game with a headset because I have a headset that's Atmos enabled. But if you want to immerse everyone in the room, especially if you're going to play something like this, which is really cool to play with other members of your family or with friends in person, the Dolby Atmos really brings you into the game. So I'm going to show you and let you hear what this sounds like. You won't get the full experience because we don't have that technology to bring that into your home, but you're going to get an idea of what this can do. And one of the really cool things is for gaming, you'll actually see better performance of you, the gamer, when you have Atmos, because you're hearing where things are spatially around you. So you're going to hear if someone's above you or behind you, over your left shoulder. You're going to be able to spin and address that.
Just lost their uplink.
Thanks for joining me, checking out some really cool new products from Vizio. We also have a look at some of their cool new TVs and some SmartCast tech that's coming as a free update to existing Vizio TVs. If you found this video useful, please give us a like, leave us a comment, and let us know what your favorite thing in this video was, and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.